Hello, Sylvia Gorenszach here, and I'm back. How are you doing? I am a GelMoment brand partner, and I'm here to show you a look that I wanted to try. And so I did it on one finger here, and it's basically a combination of an eco gel, or how you might know it more commonly as a blooming gel, but ours is called an eco gel. I have a magnetic polish here called Drawn to You, and then a few other colors here too. So I'm going to be doing a marbling look with that. So how about we just get right to it? Just wanted to mention that the base that I have on here is 2 coats of Gel Extend Quartz. It's a builder polish that we have, but it's like a milky, sparkly white color. You can use whatever color you want. I'm just using a bit of a white base here because that's the look that I'm looking for. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is mixing up our polishes. So I have these 3 right here, Raven's Kiss, Drawn to You, Lovey Dovey. So let's put it on here. I just have this little plate here. We're just going to put a little bit on here, mix it up afterwards. I'll show you how. Okay, we have that on here. I'm not going to mix it yet. What I'm going to do is put a coat of eco gel on my nail. Now, when you use eco gel, you want to have a bit of a thicker coat, not super thin, because you want the polish that you're going to put on top to bloom or echo, but not super thick where it's not going to cure. So kind of in the middle. You don't want to have anything excess. Like right now I have a little bit too much on there, so I'm just going to take some off. So make sure it's going everywhere. Okay, we have that coated. Now, let's take a dotting tool. I'm going to give this a bit of a mix, just going back and forth, a little swirl, and I'm taking one of our smaller brushes that we have. I tried it with a larger brush, but my fingernails are actually kind of small, so this works out a little bit better. So I'm going to go from diagonal to here, like from the black to the white, not just swooping there, and I'm just going to scoop some up. Okay, next I'm going to apply it very lightly, go across a little bit more wherever you want, and we're just going to watch it bloom. Okay, if you like that design, great. If you don't, you can completely wipe it off. And then I'm going to take a magnet here and work at some of the magnet properties on the Drawn to You, just trying to draw it out a little bit, just moving it around. There we go. So that when I do this, it'll come around. I'm just playing. So then when you're happy with the bloom, and now, you know what? I don't like this one too much. So I'm just gonna wipe it off. I'll be honest. Okay, I have a cleanser wipe right here, and I'm just gonna put it back in here. You know why I didn't like it? Because it was actually too, it bloomed, like it blended into each other too much. And so I'm just going to try it again. Keeping it real with you guys, because you know, sometimes when I do these videos, it only takes 5 minutes to sometimes to do these videos. It really doesn't take that long. It takes sometimes longer because I don't like the results of it. So let's try this again. We'll just go around. That's better. That's what I'm looking for. We're going to let it bloom out a bit. I like that one much more better. Much more better. Is that even a thing? Much more better. Okay, so let's bring out some of this. Ooh, magnet. I like it. We're gonna do a little bit this way, bring it in that way so that it shimmers when we go from side to side. I like it. So now we're gonna give that a cure. What do you think? Isn't that easy? So what I'm gonna do right now is just put a coat of Simply Clear over top, because when I did do the marbling is a bit more raised than everything else, and I just like to have everything to have an ultimate shine. This step isn't really necessary, but it's just my preference. So you can either choose to do this or not do this. And I'm going to give this one more cure. And there you have it. So stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll see what the whole look looks like. So if you wanted to get it more bold, you can say change different colors with each finger. I'm just going with the blue, black, and the white on here because I love blue. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell so that you will always know when I have my next video coming out. Thanks so much. Ciao, ciao for now.